So this is the arcade area. I'll quickly show you. So you've got lots of different games, lots of driving games, some sort of plane game, shooting games, basketball hoops, skateboarding game, what else? Air hockey, table hockey, sorry, shooting game, some other weird games. Yeah, that's basically it for the one side of the arcade. I'll show you the other side quickly. Over here, you've got snooker. You've got snooker tables. And what looks like the bowling over on the other side of the glass. And at the end there, you've got the PS5s that they've got lined up. All of this, by the way, is charged if you're wondering. And yeah, that's basically it for the -2 floor, but it also leads out to the outside world. Okay, down at the game bar, it's quite late, it's about 10 o'clock, currently very busy. You can see the bowling going on. I wonder what the scores are like. You can see 4 snooker tables they got over there. 2 of them, sorry, are already in use. You see the seating areas are a lot more filled up now. They got football, soccer, whatever you want to call it, on. There's pool, snooker tables, they're billiards, sorry. And then you've got the 2 PS5s which disappeared last time I was here. You've got one of the elevators over there. That side exits to the outside world. And you can see here the arcade's absolutely bloody packed. There's no way I can get through. One thing I forgot to mention to you last time was the bazaar they got down there, which is all tourist prices and very low. I'll show you to you when you can actually hear me. Yeah, that's it. Okay, never got a chance to show you this before. I'll do that now. Looks like here we are at the bazaar. Ice cream. Okay, lots of souvenirs and stuff. Steep. Yeah. The sunglasses, how much are they? Steep. What's in here? Merhaba. Looks like this is all of these t-shirts and goods. 3 t-shirts, 20 euros, okay. Okay, I think you guys get the gist of what it's like in here. This looks like the women's section. Okay, it carries on through here. Okay. Okay, looks like some interesting things over there. I'll let you guys understand what I mean by that. Shoes. More women's stuff by the look of things. More clothing. Okay. What's in here? Ah, okay. Some different clothes. Not sure where the music's the sound's coming from. And this looks like laundrette, cleaning service or something.
Hi bro.
Hello.
Come here. What is this?
GoPro. Okay, it's over here. Caps, we've already got some. Oh, what's in here? Never seen this lot. This looks desolate. So you may have seen the game bar, it's quite pleasant there. This is when it's a bit quieter and CL's doing his tricks.
Here on top.
No, that's enough. Then,
Yeah.
Diyor ki sen üzerine katmıyorsun.
But let's make a bigger one.
Diyor başlayacağın zaman haber ver.
That was cool. Just got myself a strawberry milkshake from the game bar.
going to test it out now. I can definitely taste the milk in it, and where the ice has just cooled it down a lot. And the strawberry is really powerful in this. Next time I might ask for a little less syrup. And also, when she was making it, I think she put some cherry juice, so yeah.